Critical Essay, Step-by-Step Guide. During your studying process, you will be given a large number of written assignments that you will have to complete obligatory. They are supposed to develop necessary skills within you, such as to generalize or to specify. All these factors will increase your salability on job market in the future. Completing such assignments, you will learn to develop your own approach to the problem and analyze objectively. You will face the necessity to write a number of papers that will require critics from you towards different matters and objects. Going through the materials you are required to analyze, you can either agree to some of the ideas expressed by the author or disagree with him. You also might partially agree with the thesis statement and do not approve the evidence he gives. It doesn't matter to your tutor whether you agree or disagree, you should stay critical to the matter you research. You have to be neutral to the subject and depict the situation as objectively as it is only possible. Objective criticism is an inseparable part of any essay. The essay structure should look like this: 1. A brief introduction that includes a thesis statement. 2. The main body that contains all the evidence and arguments relevant to the question. 3. Summary paragraph. Whatever point of view you take, you should support your statement by trustworthy evidence and logical chain of facts. You may support or disagree with the statements provided in the initial material, but you should remember to back every one of your facts up by solid evidence. Your argumentation is a vital part of your written assignment. It is not only critical essay, where you are supposed to show coherent and logical scheme of evidence. This ability is extremely important in argumentative essay. According to my experience, students consider simple statement of the fact a valuable motivator to change an opinion of the reader. It is not so, if to look closer. Argumentation you give should be duly structured, and each fact you state should be supported by a reliable source of information. Facts do not appear out of the air, we take them from information sources you analyze. If you have a choice to make, choose a topic that you are acknowledged with. To get a successful paper, you should work on the topic that is familiar to you. It would be better if you avoid discussing modern problems and issues in your paper and do not put them in the center of your essay. It is very hard to find a trustworthy source when there are millions of opinions and none of them is supported by good proof. It is also quite impossible to describe the general state of things in a 5-paragraph essay, so it is better to avoid modern subjects that appear on the news too often.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.